Good evening and thank you for joining us for News 8 at 11. Rochester has one of the highest levels of poverty in New York. We've said that before. Well, now leaders hope $25 million in state funds will help address this ongoing crisis. Rochester's getting half of the $50 million set aside for 3 upstate cities. As Gio Battaglia reports, the money is expected to help upwards of 1,500 Rochester families who need it most. Gio.
Yeah, Teresa, the Monroe County Department of Human Services will use the money to create programs similar to those in New York City. Young moms and renters in Rochester are among the groups who might be eligible for cash, rent subsidies, and support on how to manage their finances.
It's very expensive to be pregnant and to really make sure that you bring the baby to term. And in Rochester specifically, especially for Black and brown moms who are poor, but in general, Black mothers, they have really terrible maternal outcomes.
Aqua Porter with the Rochester Monroe Anti-Poverty Initiative says a new monthly cash incentive program from the state will support pregnant women in receiving essential care for themselves and their babies early in their pregnancies. Starting within 180 days of their expected delivery date, up to 200 eligible pregnant women in specific Rochester zip codes may receive $1,000 each month for up to 2 years.
This program will help to provide, some money for moms, and also some, I think they get some case management support, some healthcare referrals.
A mobility mentor program will also provide up to 1,200 eligible families with support to create life plans and focus on long-term economic goals. Porter says it's a way to give new opportunities.
So let's say that you decide, for instance, that you want to go back to school, or maybe like you want to get your license. If you just had a little bit of help, it would get you over the hump.
Porter also says the effort is aimed at those who are extremely low income, calling the money coming to the county a confidence booster for struggling families.
The ability for people to really thrive is limited when you're always poor and you're always under a stressor. I think some of these things are things that we can help. We can start to ease some of those burdens for families and for adults.
Rochester Mayor Malik Evans released a statement within the governor's announcement saying, in part, quote, "We are giving the residents of Rochester's poorest neighborhoods the investments they deserve." We have more information on the introduced programs over on our website. For now, Teresa, back to you.